Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ricky. Thank you guys for joining me today. For today's video, I have for you my semi-annual haul, and this is just half of it. I didn't want to make a super long video, so I am going to split it into two videos, so this will be my part one. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it and waste no time. Oh, but before we get started, I do have Firecracker Pop burning. I rate this candle a 9 out of 10 for throw. You get that lovely juicy berry scent and then that nice citrusy scent throughout the whole burn. Identical to the body care. So I do recommend this candle if you're into cherry, berry, juicy, citrusy notes. So let's dive right into the first bag. Here I have watermelon lemonade, and mostly all of these purchases, 99% that I'm sure of, are 75% off. So I did pick these up for $75. The keynotes for this is watermelon ice, sparkling water, and sugared lemon. I love the packaging on this. I love the green. It's just like summer vibes. So I picked that up. Next item I picked up is the Cherry Limeade Fine Fragrance Mist. The fragrance notes for this are juicy red cherries, candied lime, and sparkling citrus soda. I am gonna test this out for you guys. Very bubbly, almost like a sparkling water, but lime flavored. You do get that cherry and that fresh lime. So I do like this, and I'm glad I picked it up. Next thing I picked up is the Cherry Limeade in the Ultra Shape Body Cream to go with the fragrance mist. Same notes on this. Let me get a sniff for you guys. Pretty much the same as the spray, although you do get more of a burst of cherry with this. Next item I picked up is raspberry jam donut. I liked the shower gel in this a lot, and it smells like butter popcorn, donutty flakiness. Yeah, definitely that tart raspberry and just like a fluffy, warm donut. And the fragrance notes on this is wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm, fluffy donut. Next thing I picked up is some Sunset Glow. I did hear that this will no longer be with us anymore, so I did decide to grab a couple of these. You get that cherry in there. The fragrance notes on this is fresh coconut, sparkling cherry seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. You do get vanilla and cherry, and I love that. And the packaging is just so cool. I did pick up another one. For backup purposes. Next item I picked up is the honeysuckle peach tea and the body cream. The fragrance notes on this is honeysuckle blooms, juicy peaches, and sweet tea. You do get that lovely tea scent and a little zing of the peach. They really did a good job on this. It literally smells like sweet tea to me. And yeah, I do want to smell like a peach sweet tea. So, and then the packaging is just so cute too. So I feel like they did a really good job imitating that peach scent. So I had to pick that up. Next item I picked up is Kaleidoscope in the body cream. Look how pretty the packaging is. Like wet summer vibes. Keynotes on this is iris, cedarwood, clean musk, and pink pepper. You do get that pink pepper, which I love. And this is supposed to be designed with you in mind to amplify your one-of-a-kind personality and magnify your iridescent vibe. So I love that. I've never seen anything like this, so I had to pick it up to see how it will work out with me and my body chemistry. I also picked up 75% off Island Margarita hand sanitizers. You do get that mango and saltiness of the hand sanitizer. I think it's a really nice blend, and I am mad that I did not grab more. So on to the next bag. I picked up one of my favorites, probably of all time, Cactus Blossom. Scent notes on this is bright cactus petals blended with sun-kissed coconut and vanilla. So this is one of my all-time favorite. If you've watched my videos in the past, you guys know how much I am obsessed with Cactus Blossom. So I picked that up. And then the next product is Coast. This was actually an online exclusive, so I was like super ecstatic when I seen it in stores on the 75% off table. The keynotes on this is sparkling mineral water, seaside lavender, and white musk. You do get that little bit of lavender and that watery note. This is a good one for sure. So I'm so happy I got that for 75% off. Next, I got Atlantic. And this was also 75% off. Keynotes are Coastal Citrus, Sea Mist, and Clean Woods. I really do like this scent. It's very almost salty in a way, but very beautifully blended together with the woody scent. I love wood. The scent of a woody scent just comforts me. And that little bit of that sea mist makes it salty and just a perfect scent. I did pick up another one. There was probably like 5 of them, but I always am mindful of others. I'm not just grabbing, you know, all of them just because they're there. I do let other people get to stuff, so I did only grab 2. Ooh, this, I was so happy when I seen this. I got Hot Cocoa and Screams last year for the Halloween candle. and it's basically the same thing. I love how this throws. It's definitely a hitter. It smells like hot chocolate and just amazingness. Literally smells like in between a chocolate chip cookie and hot chocolate with like a sweetness to it. So it is decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. And you do get that marshmallowy sweetness to it. Oh, literally, it smells like if you're smelling Nesquik powder. But when you burn it, it's way warmer and it's more heavier on the chocolate. So I am so happy I got not one, but two for 75% off. And I don't mind the packaging. I think it's cute. I'll even burn this in the summer. I don't care for packaging. As long as it's a good candle, then I will be burning it. So I'm happy I got that. Next bag. This was an out-of-town purchase, 3 hours away. I was visiting my sister and I decided to pop up and do a little shopping while I was there. So I did pick up strawberry pound cake for 75% off. And I also picked up marshmallow pumpkin latte. I'm sure you guys already know these scent notes, but if you don't, there they are. The scent notes for marshmallow pumpkin latte is pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallows, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. You do get a little like pumpkin cookie almost, or like a pumpkin muffin from Costco. I feel like it smells similar to that. I thought it was gonna be more of a cinnamony type of scent, so I was reluctant to pick it up, but once I sniffed it, I was like, oh yeah, this has to come home with me. So I'm excited I picked this up. Next is Frosted Snow Blossom. Cool packaging. This is very perfumey, but not offensive perfumey. It's snow jasmine, frosted gardenia petals, crisp air, white sandalwood, and winter musk. I get mostly crisp air, white sandalwood, and the muskiness of it with a slight flowery note, which makes it perfumey, but not overpowering. I have this actually in the Fine Fragrance Mist, and it's one of my favorites. It gives me like girly Abercrombie and Fitch vibes. That's the best that I can describe that. And I'm glad I picked it up. Now, I was so excited to find these for 75% off. Some room sprays for like $2.11. This one is amazing. They don't have the scent notes, but I did grab more of the mahogany coconut. So I'm super happy about finding these. I was like, yes, finally, because in where I'm from Central California, and I never seen room sprays, so I was super excited that I found some in a whole other city. So next bag, this was the day one of SAS. So this was my first purchase when SAS started. I did pick up Sunset Glow in the shower gel. Same fragrance notes, I did pick up Velvet Sugar. The fragrance notes on this is savor every moment as you indulge in this sweetly sumptuous blend of red velvet cream or creme and golden plum laced with a swirl of sugared musk, pink jasmine, and wild strawberries. Too much is never enough. And this one, let's give it a quick sniff. It literally smells like sugared strawberries with a light note of that jasmine, which I love. And I love that candy like red apple color that they incorporated in this. And usually these go for like $7, but I did pick this up at my local Bath and Body. I also picked up the body lotion to pair up with it for 75% off. I didn't even know I got two, but I guess I got two. So I love that. Next thing I picked up is the Cotton Candy Clouds and the Fine Fragrance Mist. Definitely stronger than Boardwalk Taffy. You do get that berry and vanilla scent. And with Boardwalk Taffy, you get more of the spun sugar. So this is definitely a stronger, more berry vanilla scent. And I ended up getting this for 50% off. So this is probably the only thing that is 50% off. I didn't even bother to get a price adjustment. I was just happy I got it. So I kept it moving with that. Next product is Atlantic in the shower gel. Again, same keynotes, salty, marine-like. And I believe this is getting discontinued too, so I'm glad I got a couple of Atlantic fragrances. I picked up White Water Rush. This is also a good one. It's fresh white water, aromatic bergamot, and white cedar. You do get that cedar and that bergamot. So it's a really nice blend. Nothing like Atlantic, but just as great. I did pick up another one of the White Water Rush. And I do use semi-annual sale for gifts purposes too. There's not a lot of people in my intermediate family, so I did pick up some products for birthdays and Christmases, or Christmas. I did pick up Sunset Glow by basically same scent notes. So if you see a lot of doubles, those are the ones that I will be giving away as gifts and birthday gifts. I did get another shower gel in Sunset Glow. Yeah, I had to stock up on Sunset Glow after I heard that they were discontinuing it, so. And these were the winners for me. I love finding 75% off 3 wicks, and I love, since last year, I've been obsessed with this winter candle. It just gives me like forest winter vibes, like a snowy lodge type. It's just very perfect for the fall and winter. White woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, and spiced clove. You do get the woodiness, the pininess, the citrusiness, and the spiciness of the clove. I could smell this all day, and it's a really good thrower in my opinion. It throws like it literally fills up the room, and everyone's asking what's burning, and it's this candle. I did pick up another one. I don't even know where to put all these, but I was so happy when I found that winter stash. Of course, I had to get another one. And for $6, like literally, you cannot beat this price. So I'm super happy I found those. The last 3 bags remaining. We'll go with the heaviest one. So I did pick up champagne sprinkles. This is a very sugary, cakey, sugary, cakey, and just bright and beautiful scent. So I picked up the spray. I picked up the body cream. The scent notes on these are sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, and rainbow sprinkles. I feel like you get more of a cakey vibe with the body cream. You get that warmthness of the cake and the the icing. And I feel like the spray brings out more of the champagne note in it, making it brighter. But I am more obsessed with the body cream because it literally smells like a raspberry cupcake, like topped with like buttercream icing. So I am super happy that I ended up liking this, or that they ended up making it like that, because I am very happy with that. I picked up Sunrise Yoga in the moisturizing body wash. This is made with mandarin, spearmint, and juniper berry. Yeah, very, you get that juniper, you get that mintiness and the sweetness. So it's like a sweet mint type of scent, and I love it. Next is Mary Madeline cookie. I did get this for 75% off. A sweet sugar cookie scent. The scent notes is baked Madeline cookie, spiced almond, and sweet orange, toasted coconut with essential oils. So you get that orangey but soft and cookie-like scent. Next, I picked up white velvet coconut. Very coconutty and like a bright note to it. It's white velvet cake, coconut shavings, and white buttercream with essential oils. You get that coconut and that slight like vanilla scent. And look what I got for 75% off. How freaking cute. I ended up picking this up for $1. because it was 75% off, and I was like, oh, he needs to come home with me. So it's like a little thing for your candle lid or for wherever, but that's mainly what I'm gonna use it for. I still have my sweet, no, it's actually a Tutti Frutti jelly bean candle. So I will be bringing this out paired up with that candle. So I'm happy I got it. I think he or she is so cute. Next, I picked up another raspberry jam donut. I also picked up these little gingham hand creams. Oh, this is actually body creams. These were, I believe, $1 and some change. So I was happy I found those. I love gingham. Okay, 2 bags left. Raspberry jam donut in the shower gel. I also picked up something that I thought I wouldn't like, sugar cherry crisp. This literally smells like a cherry turnover to me. You get that flakiness, that butteriness, and that cherry tartness of it. And lately I've been really into Gourmand scents, so this is literally perfect. It's bright cherry delight, crumbled graham cracker, and spun vanilla sugar. So I'm glad I picked this up for 75% off. Next, I picked up, of course, Firecracker Pop. I love this scent. I love the candle. I love the body cream. I love everything about this scent. I was wearing Firecracker Pop for at least 2 good weeks before the 4th of July. The fragrance notes are red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. At first, when you spray this, it smells kind of funky, but when it dries down, it smells absolutely intoxicating. Cherry, oh, it smells so good. I also picked up the body lotion, and I did pick these up for 75% off. And another frosted snow blossom. Down to the last bag. I picked up another Atlantic. I picked up another Whitewater Rush. I also picked up this beautiful Champagne Toast Fine Fragrance Mist. Look at the packaging though. Oh my God. I like Champagne Toast, but I love this packaging even more. If it was in a different packaging, I probably wouldn't have grabbed it. I probably would have, would not, you know, you never know, but I absolutely had to grab it with this packaging. I thought it was really pretty. Oh God. This right here, you guys, is my all-time favorite aromatherapy scent so far. This is the Pillow Mist in the Mimosa Spearmint. I'm telling you guys, if you guys see this at your 75% off table, please grab it. You will not regret it. If you do, I'm so sorry, but this scent is something that I have to keep smelling once I spray it. It's so intoxicating and literally almost one of my favorite scents of all time. Like, it brings me back to, I guess, happier times. I'm not saying that my times now aren't happy, but you know, when you didn't have to worry about anything, I feel like it just brings me like a peace of mind every time I smell it. So I am truly obsessed with Mimosa Spearmint. Another product I love is this hand cream and the eucalyptus and spearmint. I love taking these to work because they're easy to put in my lunch bag and they're not bulky, and the scent is just amazing. I bought quite a bit of them because they were on the 75% off table. So you can tell I love my eucalyptus and spearmint. And I always get compliments from this scent. It seems to be a lot of people's favorite. So I did pick that up. And these last products are just room sprays that I picked up for 75% off. And strawberry pound cake. Another strawberry pound cake. And another strawberry pound cake. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for my part 1 of my semi-annual sale purchases. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It was really fun for me to shop around. I feel like I indulged more in semi-annual sale this year than I did last. And I picked up a lot more things this time around than last time because I felt like there was just better products out. A little bit of fall, a little bit of spring, and a little bit of winter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have an empties video coming soon, so watch out for that. Leave comments, like, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed for more content coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.